Introducing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, the 40mm Bluetooth AI smartwatch that's redefining smart wearables in 2024. Cream-colored, sleek, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge features, this isn't just a watch, it's your daily health and wellness companion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 40mm Bluetooth AI smartwatch, the latest innovation in Samsung's wearable lineup. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone looking for a smart assistant on your wrist, this might just be the watch you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in a beautiful cream finish that gives it a premium yet minimal look. The 40mm size sits perfectly on the wrist. Not too big, not too small. And the Super AMOLED display? It's vibrant, sharp, and easy to read even under direct sunlight. Now let's talk. About AI, yes, this watch comes with advanced AI integration. From personalized wellness tips to proactive notifications about your daily energy levels, it's like having a mini health coach right on your wrist. The Galaxy Watch 7 is loaded with health tracking features. It includes heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep analysis, and even your daily energy score based on your activity, rest, and stress levels. Fitness buffs, you're covered too. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or hitting the gym, the built-in fitness tracker records your progress accurately. You also get reminders to move, hydration alerts, and guided breathing exercises. And yes, the battery life on this thing is impressive. With moderate use, you can easily get up to 2 days of battery, and it charges super quickly. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity is seamless. Pair it with your Galaxy phone and you're all set. In the box, you get the watch, charging dock, quick start guide, and it's backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Oh, and this is the US version, so you're getting full feature support right out of the box. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 worth it in 2024? Absolutely. With its smart AI features, wellness tracking, beautiful design, and improved performance, this smartwatch hits all the right notes. If you're someone who cares about health, wants better insight into your daily habits, or just wants a stylish and functional smartwatch, this one's a winner. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you pick the Galaxy Watch 7 over the competition? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.